Do you want to know the fastest and easiest way to manage content on your displays? That's with the use of Playlist. Creating and editing playlists is done in just a few simple steps. First, select your media, either from a media library or you can add in all different media types by URL. We also support scheduling a rotation of dynamic slides. Choose a few of your dynamic slides and add into step 1. Now we have scheduling options. Set a very specific schedule by time of day, particular days of the week, and an overall start and end time. And all you have to do is add. You can adjust the order of rotation, and the last step is just to add it to a player schedule. Select your playlist, add to schedule, and choose your players.